Hello friends. In 2025, if you want your home ceiling to look luxurious, a heavy false ceiling won't do it anymore. Big multi-layer false ceilings are no longer in trend. So what is actually trendy now? The answer is profile lights. These lights are super stylish, modern, and come in many designs. The best part is you can install them even if your plaster is already done, or plan them while your house is still under construction. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. Let us start with the most popular option, the cornice light, also called corner profile light. People love it because it looks very modern and stylish. Here is the simple idea. Keep the ceiling plain, put a fan or chandelier in the middle, add surface lights, and install profile lights along the corners. That's it. The result looks very clean, elegant, and premium. So what exactly is done in a cornice light setup? The corners of the room are fitted with profile lights, while the center of the ceiling remains simple. You can also add 4 surface lights in the center if you want extra illumination. The electrical points for these lights can either be prepared during the slab stage or you can add them later. The installation is simple. The LED strip is placed inside an aluminium profile and then fixed on the corners. The cost usually ranges from 170 to 350 rupees per running foot depending on the material and brand. For basic materials, it starts around 170 rupees per running foot, and for branded products, it can go above 200 rupees. This includes both material and labor. One important thing to remember. The plaster on your corners must be neat. If it is uneven, small gaps will appear and the lights won't sit properly. But if the plaster is smooth, the result looks amazing. Now, let us move on to profile lights in general. There are 2 types to install them. Number 1, after your house is already built. And number 2, during construction. If your house is already built, here is what you need while installing profile lights. Aluminium case. This is the frame in which the LED strip will go. LED strip. This is the actual light. Adapter. It powers and controls the LED strip. Wires and switch to connect and control the lights. First, the aluminium case. Go for a U-shaped case, also called a non-collar type. You can buy it from any brand, Philips, GM, Syska, or even non-branded options. But make sure the quality is good. Thickness should be around 1.2 to 1.5 mm and the width around 17 to 25 mm. From my experience, 17.5 mm looks neat and premium. Next, check your ceiling. Normally, plaster is around 6 to 10 mm thick, sometimes up to 12 mm. With putty, you will get a total margin of about 10 to 15 mm. Use this space to cut a groove in the ceiling for the aluminium profile. Decide the design you want, square, rectangular, cross, or any shape, and mark it on the ceiling. Then, cut the groove exactly to the size of your aluminium profile using a grinder. If the plaster is still fresh, you can even mark it using nails or a wooden template. Once the groove is ready, apply a strong adhesive like araldite on the back, press it firmly and then secure it with half-inch screws. Make sure the screws don't stick out. That's it, your aluminium case is installed. Now comes the adapter. Always use a good quality branded adapter as it powers your LED strip. The size of the adapter depends on how long your LED strip is. For example, if you have 10 meters of lights, a 12 to 15 ampere adapter is enough. You will also need a place to hide it. Some options are inside the fan cap, behind appliances like an AC or wardrobe. The key is to hide it neatly while still allowing easy access later. Next, connect the power supply. You can use a nearby wall point or a fan point. Draw the wire to the ceiling and connect it to the adapter. If your electrician is new, guide them clearly about where to take the supply from. Once that is done, your adapter is in place. Now it's time to attach the LED strip. Branded strips last longer and are safer. LED density varies. 120 LEDs per meter is ideal for decorative lighting, while 240 LEDs per meter gives more brightness. Stick the LED strip firmly inside the aluminum profile. Then place the acrylic diffuser sheet on top and connect the switch. Done. Your profile light is ready. LED strips come in warm white, cool white or moonlight, so choose the color that suits your room. After installation, apply putty and paint wherever you cut grooves for a neat finish. In terms of cost, non-branded materials start around 150 rupees per running foot, while branded materials go around 200 to 250 rupees per running foot. This is the total for aluminum profile, LED strip and adapter. If your house is still under construction, it's easier. Pre-decide the design of your profile lights. Tell your electrician exactly where you want the points and ask them to leave those points during slab casting. Then during plastering, grooves can be made for the lights. This is the simplest way to install profile lights without a false ceiling. Now let us talk about other lighting options. Surface lights or ceiling lights. Circular or square, available in black, gold or other premium colors. They can be installed directly without a false ceiling. COB or focus lights. These can be recessed or surface mounted in the ceiling and they look very elegant. Track lights. Perfect for highlighting walls, decorations or artwork. Chandeliers. A classic choice especially for large rooms. One important tip. Using only one type of light rarely looks good. Mixing 2 to 3 types of lights gives a richer, more premium look. Here is a simple way to set up lights in your bedroom or drawing room. Corners, 4 surface lights. Above the bed, 2 hanging lights. Beside, 2 table lamps. Around the room, cove lights in small ceiling grooves. With this setup, your room will look luxurious, trendy and well lit, all without a false ceiling. Now I want to hear from you, which of these lighting ideas would you try in your home? Comment below and let me know your favorite. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.